Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of 31.327. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, we have seen there is a continuous upside we have seen after the price has made a low of around 17.5. Okay, and this price we have seen in the August of 22. You have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that silver mostly trades in a zone. So this is the zone. When the trend breakout happens, we have seen a downfall and then this particular trend. After that, there is a continuous upside. If you go previously also, you will see that the price was moving in a zone. Okay, and when the price was in the lockdown, when it started to go higher, the price was in this range for quite some time, and whenever the range break, we have seen a level of 17.5 and then a continuous upside. If you look at the from 4-5 weeks, we have seen a doji candle formed at this level, and after that there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and now it made a sustain a level at around $29.7, and from there a swing has formed, so it is trying to go higher. Okay, a swing is formed at this level. Chances are very high that suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go again towards a level of $31.6. Okay, $31.6 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross the level, and from there it will go towards 31.8. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of $32.4. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances of going further upside will be more higher. So before I move ahead and explain you where the silver price can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, looking at the dollar, I have clearly explained you that the dollar index is trying to go higher. Okay, because if you look at this particular trend, a level of 104 is a continuous buy side, and I have told you at this particular level, a level of 102, that there is a continuous upside we can see, because there is a zone breakout was happening, and the election was also there, so we could have seen that the price of dollar index and dollar can move further upside, and the pattern was also forming at this level as well as at this particular level. So now it has already made a half from 108. So if the price comes again towards a level of 107 exact, we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, and then it can cross a level of 108 also, because this level we have not seen since long. Okay, so chances can be high, we can see it will go further upside, and it can touch a level of $109.3, and if it started sustaining of this level, a further upside. Okay, so if the dollar started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Okay, now if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. This is what we have seen. Okay, so look at this particular chart. If it started going below a level of $107, we can see a further fall towards a level of around 106.3, and then it will go below 106. Okay, this is the zone. So once started falling below that particular level, we will see a level of 105.2, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $104.6. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. Looking at this particular chart, you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below 104.6, a further downfall we can see, and then it can go move below a level of 103.5. Okay, coming back, we can see, looking at this particular chart, chances are very high it will cross a level of $31.5, because it is already being tested here. So chances are it will cross this level and it will go towards 31.8. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can go towards a level of $32.3, and once started sustaining above this level, it will go towards 32.5. Okay, and once the price moving above that level, we will see it will cross that level, and from there it will go towards $33. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $33.7. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see it will cross a level of 34.5, and then it can cross a level of 34.8. So you have to keep it in mind, as soon as the price started sustaining over 33.7, a probability of crossing 4.4 will be there, and if that sustain, we can see it will cross a level of 34.8, and then it's a new high, you can see, after a very long time. Okay, so probability of going further upside, we can see once the price started going on 34.8, chances are high of going further high. Okay, but now if the price didn't sustain, you have to understand, see, pattern is all there, that if the price keep moving above 31.8, a further high we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see? Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards 30.8, and from there it can go towards a level of $30.13. Okay, and once the price started going below that particular level, chances of falling further down, we can see, towards 29.6, and then it will go further down towards a level of $29.2. Okay, you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, chances are very high that we can see, if the price started going below 29.2, a further fall we can see towards a level of $28.6. This $28.6 is already being tested, so chances of further fall we can see towards 27.7, and from there it will cross a level of $27.1, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards 26.4. Okay, and then a further downfall. So you have to remember, as soon as the price started going below a level of 30.2, a further fall we can see, and once started falling below 27.7, a further downfall we can see towards 26.3. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.